Looking for powerful, portable drilling without breaking the bank? This factory price mobile water well drilling rig is your perfect partner for mining, construction, or energy work in remote areas. Equipped with a 6-blade PDC drill bit and powered by diesel, this trailer-mounted rig handles hard rock drilling with ease. Built to last, it's wear-resistant, CE certified, and packed in a sturdy plywood box for easy transport. No grid power? No problem. It's fully mobile. From building material sites to deep coal zones, this machine is designed to perform. Stocks are limited, and prices are factory direct. Don't miss this opportunity. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd love to see this rig in action. Stay tuned for more real-world machinery reviews.